there. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about PMT formula and goal seed function. Now, PMT formula will let you know about the calculations. So basically, if for example we have a finance company and we are financing a home, then if a lender come, if a customer come and seeking to buy a home which costs 10 lakh rupees, the what would be the down payment, the number of years. For example, it's a very simple scheme. What would the EMI it would be if a person pay 5 lakh rupees out of 10, number of years would be fixed for 5 years and interest rate would be at 15%. The what would the EMI will be? So for example, if I calculate that, write PMT in brackets. For example, what would the interest rate? Interest rate would be of 15%. Now 15% is the annual interest rate. Now we have to multiply it for annual basis. Like a customer have to pay annually 10 amount, whatever amount it is, he have to pay annually, and in a monthly basis he have to pay that. So annually it is 15%, but what would be the monthly amount he have to pay? You have to deduct. So we have to divide that by 12. 15% is annual amount, and what would be the monthly amount a person have to pay? Now the 10-year time is 5 years. It is 5 years. Now 5 years into 12. We have to do 5 years into 12 because every year have 12 months and customer have to pay every year's amount. So that is 12 in that case. So we have to multiply 12, then comma, and what would be the exact amount? So price is 10 lakh in this case, 10 lakh in this case, but a customer already pay 5 lakh rupees as a down payment. So what will be the total amount he have to pay as a monthly basis? We hit enter, and this is what a customer have to pay, 11,895. This is what customer have to pay, 11,895. This is what the amount is. Now this is what predefined is. For example, a customer come and said that 11,895 is a big amount for him, and he just wants to pay 10,000 only on a monthly basis. So what exactly he needs to do, or what exactly a finance company will calculate, how he calculate? You simply put a calculator there and start bringing out that because it's quite confusing thing as well. So we have an option called in Excel data, and it's what if analysis. In what if analysis we have goal seek function. Now for example, if I want to pay only 10,000, only 10,000 is the amount I want to pay. That's the only amount I will pay. So what would be the down payment I have to raise? What would be the down payment it would be? Okay, and this is what the down payment I have to pay. That's 5,79,654 and so passes. So I have just increasing the decimal. So this is what 5,799,654. Now if I want to remain the 10,000, if I want to increase the year, so what will be the down payment? For example, if I go to data once again, what if analysis, gold, if I say that I want to increase the total value, which is 10 years in this case, then what would be the down payment I have to raise, what if the down payment will be if I want to. So logically it not work, but what would the, for example, down payment I have paid, that if I say that down payment is 5 lakh. Once again I'm raising, give me a moment. Now this is what the amount was, and if I say that I just want to pay 2.5 lakh only, so this is what I exactly needs to pay in the EMI term, which is 17,842. So now what if analysis? For example, if I say that my amount will remain 10,000, my amount will remain 10,000, but what the year I want to change? I want to change the year. How much time it will take to realize and conclude the time. So this is what the total time will be. 18 years I require to fulfill the entire amount. Again, I just want to decrease the fraction, so 19 years basically it will take me if I go with the 10,000 is the EMI, and if I pay the down payment of something around 2.5 lakh, it means 2,15,000, then 19 years will take rest of the amount to be paid if I go with the interest rate of 10,000. So this is what, if 15% will be interest rate and the EMI will be 10,000. So this is what we calculate the entire EMI sum. Now if I increase something there, then entire positioning will be changed. If I say 5,000, 15,000 only, so then EMI will change again. So now once again, let me, for example, how many years it would take? For example, if EMI term, again I'm going with the FODF analysis, goal C. If I say that I want to pay only 10,000 and I'm paying only 50,000, then how many years it will take me to get rid of it? So this much time it will take. And anyway, this is what a logical thing is all about. 255 years, this is what it calculated, but logically that is quite a some amount, 50,000 only. And if you are paying with the EMI rate like that, no company will give you a loan like that as well. But this is what the logical. For example, if I increase that again, if I increase that, and if I say that I'm ready to pay 5 lakh again, I'm ready to pay 5 lakh again, but my interest rate will be of 10,000 only. So what would be the down payment I need to pay? And let me change this particular value as well. If I say that only 10 years, so I have to pay 15,000 as EMI in that case. So that's how you can calculate, and this is what the 10 years amount we have to pay with, and this is how we can find out with the PMT formula and goal seek formula as well. So hope you learned something about this. Thanks for watching.